Hello you guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna be working on a microwave today. It's another small project, so it's pretty easy. So let me show you what I'm gonna be working on right now. A whole one, and I'm switching it to this one right here. And also I got it from Home Depot. I pretty much love Home Depot. They got pretty good stuff. What we need to do, we need to go up there. The first thing we got to do here, we need to unplug that and then screw this right here. We kind of unscrew these two right here. Those are what we need. Let's take out. Right there, and then the other one. You're gonna need someone to help you do lift the microwave. It's pretty heavy. And now I'm under the microwave. This is what you need to. There's a plate right here that's hooked the microwave. You gotta unhook it right here. The plate is all the way on the wall, and there's another one right here. That's the whole plate right here. We need to take this off, but I'm not sure. But I know Samsung come with one. I know Samsung is different than that one on the wall right now. So let's look. Let's check that out. Like to check first when you open it to see if it works before you do everything else. If it's not that, you're just gonna put stuff on top with on that thing. So you turn on, so we pretty much know everything should be working properly. So it do work. That's the one we use on the wall. With the paper here like that. That's the one we're gonna put on the wall. To stick it, I put sticker like tape on it, and you go like this. I'm gonna mark down A, B, and C. A right here. Let's see, for center. And a B. That's how you do it. Just like that. Right here. You have to switch the fan. I'm switching the fan now. Just pull it out so the air can go up front. Just and then you leave it like that. And you turn it and push it back in. And it sit back in place. That's it. It. Unwrap it now. That's it. And we're done. And now we plug it, and that's it. Working. There we got it, man. There it is. Another project done. The whole one and the new one. Got it done, guys. I think I did a good job. Was really helpful, right? Subscribe, thumbs up, comment down below, please. Thank you, guys.